Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Cash App. So let's begin our video. First of all, I just open my Cash App. Right now you can see there have two options. You can create your account by using your phone number or email. I select use email. So here you can see I select it. Right now I just type my email on here, then select next, and they sent a code on my email. I just need to check my email and I just need to type my code on here. After type my code, I select next. So right now here you can see I just need to select my country. So I select my country on here, United States. So right now I just need to type my first name and last name on here. After type, then select next again. Right now I just need to type my date of birth here, then select next. So right now I just need to choose a unique name for my account. So I choose a unique name, then select next. And here you can see it's loading. Right now I just need to type my zip code and then select next. Right now I just skip it. Here you can see. So right now you can invite your friend and get $5 bonus. Otherwise you can skip it. And then here you can see finally my Cash App account already created. So in this way you can very easily create your Cash App account. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.